Today, Sikhs and Kashmiris together are demonstrating in front of United Nations as this morning India's Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar has addressed the UN General Assembly. Our message here is very clear. We are not asking for the moon. This United Nations, which passed a charter on December 10th, 1948, that gives us the right of self-determination. And regarding Kashmir, there are more than 15 resolutions of UN Security Council which have not been implemented. Similarly, Sikhs of Punjab are asking for right of self-determination. Lately, on June 18th, they killed a Sikh activist in the precincts of the Gurdwara in Surrey, Canada, as he was the one, Amarjit Singh, who was working for the right of self-determination or Khalistan referendum in Canada. Now, America, Canada, UK, Australia and New Zealand, Five Eyes countries have raised their voice, but we will have to see how far they will go. It should not be just a pressure on India to make India do whatever they want, but we want that seriously these powers, UN Security Council, should implement right of self-determination resolution on Kashmir in Kashmir, then in Punjab, in Manipur, in Nagaland, so that we may also be able to enjoy our freedoms. Thank you very much.